Hello everyone, welcome to the BIM Skills Academy. In this video, we will understand why CAD is getting replaced by BI. So if you see, CAD is nothing but computer aided design. Okay, because many professionals they get confused, especially freshers. CAD and AutoCAD both are similar. CAD is a process. AutoCAD is one of the software for CAD system. But the long form for CAD is nothing but computer aided design. While BIM is, we know, it's building information, okay, modeling here, right? So CAD is a general technology, but BIM is specifically related to the construction. Okay. So in CAD, what happened? Like in CAD, method, we use multiple softwares such as AutoCAD. Okay. We use SketchUp and we use Excel here. So what is happening? AutoCAD we are using for 2D, SketchUp we are using for 3D and rendering, Excel we are using for specifications and maybe estimation. So generally what is happening that all of the system here is disconnected, and in AutoCAD itself if we have for example 500 drawings or 100 drawings and all of these drawings are disconnected, right? If you change in one drawing, another drawing you need to manually interpret, and also if any changes happens in 2D you need to manually again update in 3D, okay? And if any changes happens in 3D you need to update in 2D, and whatever the changes happen in 2D and 3D, you need to again update in Excel file format. If you forget, that will be a problem. So that's why in BIM, what we do, we work on one 3D BIM model. So here we are not saying this is just a 3D model, but we are saying this is 3D BIM model. That is nothing but one intelligent model. Okay. Once this model is created, so we are extracting information from that model itself. So we are extracting 2D from it, we are extracting 3D from it, we are extracting render from it, we are extracting specifications from it. So model is nothing but like heart, okay? And from heart, the complete information is getting flow to multiple organs in the body, okay? So that much important the BIM model is. Many people they don't care, the BIM model is like maybe not important for them, but this is very much important, because if the heart is not pumping information to multiple, for example, organs, then it will be a problem, right? In the same way, if model is not having the proper information, then whatever you're extracting 2D, 3D, rendering, specification, everything will be wrong here. But the idea, in BIM is nothing but here we are developing one BIM model and all of the 2D, 3D specifications are related to it. So if you do any changes in 2D, automatically it will appear in 3D. If you do any changes in 3D, automatically it will appear in 2D, and rendering, specifications everywhere. So that's why we are moving, or we can say, CAD is getting replaced by BIM throughout the world. That's why we see there are many opportunities for BIM professionals in this world. So I hope you like the video. Follow the BIM Skills Academy for more information on BIM implementation.